Hello students, today we are going to learn about reflection of light from 11th standard point of view. Okay, so first of all, what is reflection? The phenomenon in which ray of light changes its path while propagating through same medium is called reflection of light. So see over here, you have a mirror, a reflecting surface. This is basically reflecting surface, an incident ray, reflected ray, and we draw a normal. So angle made by incident ray with surface is angle of glancing. Incident ray with normal is angle of incidence. Reflected ray with normal is angle of reflection, and this angle made by incident ray with reflected ray is angle of deviation. So we have law of reflection. Angle of incidence is equal to angle of reflection. Incident ray, reflected ray and the normal lies in the same plane. Incident ray and reflected ray lies on the opposite sides of the normal. So students, remember one thing regarding reflection of light is during reflection the velocity remains unchanged. Of course direction change, but velocity remains same. So few geometrical relations which we require it for our CET level or NEET examination level, it is like this. From geometry, if you see I plus R plus delta is 180 degree, that means delta is 180 minus I plus R. So I is equal to R, we know. So delta is 180 minus 2I or 180 minus 2R. Again, if you look at the diagram, I plus theta G, see this, I plus theta G, this has to be 90 degree. So from here you see I is 90 minus theta G. So if you substitute the value of I in this equation, okay, you get delta is equal to 2 theta G, that is by subtracting, so minus and minus becomes plus, 180 gets cancelled. We wish to add one more thing over here, that if you take incident ray, normal incident ray, so this is reflecting surface, this is normal, and incident ray and normal lies along the same line. So if incident ray and normal lies along the same line, angle I is equal to 0. That means according to law of reflection, angle R should be equal to 0. So I is 0, R is 0. What is the value for delta? Delta is 180 minus 2I. That means 180 minus 2 into 0. This has to be 180. Okay. So delta is 180. That means for normal incident ray and reflected ray lie in the same line. It lie along the same line but in opposite direction. Students, that is about law of reflection from 11th point of view. And whatever we have completed, that relations, you need to remember this from your higher examination point of view. Thank you.